प्यार को प्यार रहने दो और कोई नाम ना दो.
Junaid or Khushi, how did they break the ice? Or was it an instant chemistry?
No, I think we're both very quiet people.
Amir Khan's son. Is there any pressure?
A lot of people don't, he looks so young, a lot of people don't realize he might have a son who's so old. We look very different, so it's never really come up.
When she saw you being this Punjabi kudi and all.
I am quite loud at home, but I think outside I'm quite the opposite. So I think she was quite excited to see me play someone really fiery like that. And she's not seen the movie yet, but she's been extremely supportive through everything, reposting everything.
Bonnie Kapoor appearance in all those videos now, they have my heart. Like, who, kiska brainchild idea?
That was all Janhvi. But people have certain expectations, and it's only natural for them to try and draw comparisons. But obviously I'm new and I haven't had extensive experience like a lot of people in my family. So I can just do my best.
All know we are always associated with the next co-star or somebody else. The day you open the tabloids, your name is attached with someone, so will be yours.
You want your work to be the first topic that people talk about and know you for. So I guess it's something you can't really help, but I think the reason why people are so private about these things is because they don't want that to be the main topic of discussion.
There were a couple of, how would I say, the trolls or the people when they call out, oh, you have gone under the knife, or you have gone procedures. And you've been very categorically, very sweetly explained them. That's how I look, that's how I look, and that's how I look.
I mean, I personally don't really think it's such a big deal. I feel like people think it's the biggest insult when they say, oh, you've like had work done, you're this, you're that, but I don't see the problem.
Hi guys, this is Ankita Bhala. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble and situation स्यापे वाली तो नहीं है, लव्यापा वाली ज़रूर है, because Junaid and Khushi are going to tell me आखिरकार what is the situation with the hearts and the love. Welcome guys.
Thank you.
And welcome to the films, theatrical, big ticket, that's how it should be.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us.
Definition of love, simple सी क्या है?
Khushi, you want to go with it?
I think maybe for me, love is compromise, love is understanding, and love is everything.
Yeah, I think प्यार को प्यार रहने दो और कोई नाम ना दो.
Junaid is going for all the people who are still with their ghazal era, so we'll go with it. How about when new people decided that, okay, this has to be your first theatrical or this happened organically? Because both by chance came out with their first performances on OTT. So was it an organic move or it was a thought out thing that we should be doing theatrical?
I don't think it was thought out in that way. I think as actors, I mean, the way you look at films doesn't really change depending on
OTT or theatrical.
Yeah. I think that's something that's more considered by producers and distributors, and and I think they know better about it, so I like to leave that to their better judgment.
Yeah, I don't think it was a conscious decision. I think the story was amazing and it really connected with both of us, I think, and I think that's what kind of led to that decision.
Since both your parents are into the production side of the business as well, तो वो जो box office pressure and number game, कोई navigation, कोई tips मिले हैं? Respectively, because it can be really stressful, especially when you're fresh in the business.
No, I don't think so. I think I'm excited. I like the film. I like our music. I think we've done what we could, and now
it's not in our hands anymore.
Yeah,
we did our job, and yeah, I think we can just hope for the best. I don't think that pressure is something you should really let get to your head. And I think it's just it's a nice time. It's our first theatrical. I think we both just kind of want to enjoy this time and not really think about anything else after or have certain expectations.
When it's your first film in a way, like where you have a love triangle, how two actors break the ice? Junaid or Khushi, how did they break the ice? Or was it an instant chemistry? Because in the trailer, it's real fun. Kafi crazy ho gaya hai.
No, I think we're both very quiet people.
It was aankhon hi aankhon mein ishara ho gaya.
No, so I think it took some time. But we did we had a good 5-6 weeks of rehearsals.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think we became friends through that.
Yeah, I think well, the movie starts with Gaurav and Bani being in this relationship already and already having that comfort. So I think the more we read, the easier it got for the both of us as well, I think, because there was no warming up to being in a relationship with these two characters. It was just immediately comfort and ease, and I think that kind of helped us open up as well.
What hooked me was the swap a phone situation. कभी गलती से रियल लाइफ में स्वैप अ फोन हुआ है अपने रिस्पेक्टिव कभी रिलेशनशिप में, या वैसे भी सिबलिंग्स के साथ भी इट कैन बी अ डेंजरस सिचुएशन?
नहीं.
I'm quite an open book, so everyone knows my password and my phone keeps traveling around, so I don't really have any secrets on the phone.
Pretty much. मतलब मैं खुद के फोन में देखूं बड़ी बात है.
So you're not that phone person per se.
Not really, no.
Not at all. Oh my God, like this is not me, huh? Give it to them. Both of you had one more commonality. I think in your first projects to this one, you both have gone through a physical transformation of sorts also. Archie's, because it was set in that era, you had a certain look as per the character. Maharaj required a completely different look from the young lover boy thing. How was it adapting to it? Because the first ones were difficult. This is like just you. Was it a fresh change?
I mean, Maharaj, we shot Maharaj was a long time ago. We shot it in 2021.
Oh.
Yeah, so yeah, I think there was a good 2 years in the middle, so I think that had already that was done.
Well, for me, I think that was a period film and a very different world to what this is. But I think both experience was just as fun to kind of crack a look, and I think for me, the look is really kind of what helps me fit into that character and space and world. And it's nice to have very specific traits to each of those looks, like whether it's Betty's bangs and light hair, or Barney's really long dark hair, and just the costumes and everything like that. I think we had incredible teams to kind of help create and bring these characters to life. So I think as an actor, that really helps a lot as well.
Ira put up this adorable post for you when the Lavyapa trailer got launched. And haven't you seen that? It's like, what have you done to my brother? Was what caught my attention. So what have you done to Junaid actually?
Nothing, yeah. किस पे उसने post डाला?
So I think she might have commented on the reel we made.
Oh, that one.
And then it was like quite cute.
Khushi only directed. I don't think we had much.
We are coming to Khushi's reels. They need special mention.
Yeah. She on that reel only she directed. ना तो हम लोग balcony में जो किया था.
हाँ, that the whole.
Yeah.
So what have you done to Junaid in her words? Please explain.
No, nothing. Yeah. I think this film has given me an opportunity to live vicariously through my character.
It must be fun, because if in real life you are someone who's an introvert or maybe who keeps to himself and then play a role which is all over the place.
It's great fun, yeah.
It's great fun.
It is great fun.
What about you? How was Janvi's reaction when she saw you being this Punjabi kudi and all?
I think she was really excited. I am quite loud at home, but I think outside I'm quite the opposite. So I think she was quite excited to see me play someone really fiery like that. And she's not seen the movie yet, but she's been extremely supportive through everything, reposting everything. So yeah, I think she's very excited.
Khushi, props to me. The Boney Kapoor appearance in all those videos now, they have my heart. Like, who, kiska brainchild idea?
That was all Janvi. That was all Janvi. She directed that whole reel. We sat and recorded this in my dad's closet, and we were just like, okay, let's just make a quick impromptu thing. And I feel like those last minute things are just somehow end up being the most funny moments, because it wasn't even something that we had planned. But I think my dad was the star of that reel.
You know, that became like a viral meme thing.
Yeah, because I'm getting tagged in so many siblings and families with their fathers going and crossing the same thing in the back, and it's so funny. But it was quite a fun moment.
When are you going to ask Dad to do a reel for you? Which in itself is a big thing if he does.
I only don't do reels.
So we can't get Dad.
I would ask him to do it.
You won't. Well, what was, I really wanted to ask, at trailer, Aamir was so candid when he said that you were not that good maybe in your first film as what he would have expected. And when you get such kind of honest opinions from your own father, who of course is probably one of the best we have in the country, ऐसा थोड़ा सा वो father son वाला आता है कि पापा थोड़ा gentle हो जाओ?
नहीं, not at all.
No, I don't think that's what he said. I think he said there were certain things that he had told you about that he said you could improve, but I don't think he said that.
There was some rawness in some scenes.
He's very honest. That's the best part about him.
No, but not at all. Not at all.
Not at all.
Yeah.
So no pressure you feel when everyone, like, if, God forbid, it's like Amir Khan's son. Is there any pressure? The title itself is so big to hold.
No, I never felt it around me. So it's not really been. Also, I guess a lot of people don't. He looks so young. A lot of people don't realize he might have a son who's so old, so grown up. I shouldn't say old, but we look very different. So it's never really come up.
Khushi, do you also hold it close to your heart? I know Maya's not here to see where you are today, but one of the most fantastic performances, best actresses we have had in our time with Sri ma'am. Was there ever a trip, if you remember? Because I remember Janvi telling us during Dhadak that the few things she always told her to. Was there something she always told you also to do if you ever want, if she knew that you were becoming a performer ever?
I don't know if there was anything specific she said. Not that I can remember right now.
Yeah, because I think when you have such a lineage to carry, do you also feel the pressure? Like Junaid said, he has left it. He's not thinking about it.
I mean, I guess there are people have certain expectations, and it's only natural for them to try and draw comparisons. But obviously, I'm new and I haven't had extensive experience like a lot of people in my family. So I can just do my best and hope to just find my own footing.
Which you will. I guess I think the way the trailer has received, I have laughed my... I should not be saying it, but yes. I have to give you a compliment. When you went to this Bigg Boss episode, you cracked up the stage with your one-liners. What it got you into, like?
No.
Especially that the ex-wife thingy comment. What was that?
Yeah, no, I mean, maybe it was a little out of place. No, I mean, they're both very, very senior actors. So I think maybe I should have behaved myself a little more.
You made us all laugh, trust me. You genuinely did.
Yeah, but at the same time, I mean, they've been doing this for now almost 40 years, yeah?
Yawns.
Yeah. And they're both like fantastic. Both fantastic actors and big stars. So yeah, maybe I should have behaved myself some more.
You were perfectly fine. Don't go that route, please. You were perfectly fine. Khushi, you've been very vocal, I would say, and I really admire you for putting out when there were a couple of, how would I say, the trolls or the people when they call out, oh, you have gone under the knife or you have gone procedures. And you've been very categorically, very sweetly explained them. That's how I look, that's how I look, and that's how I look. From where that confidence comes? Because it can be really shattering when you're always under the scrutiny to look a certain way.
I mean, I personally don't really think it's such a big deal. I feel like people think it's the biggest insult when they say, oh, you've like had work done, you're this, you're that, but I don't see the problem. To each their own. I'm not telling anyone to live their lives a certain way. I make my own choices and I'm not denying anything ever at any point. I think the issue is when people try to say that they've not done certain things to enhance the way they look, and I think the issue is in that, because that kind of influences younger people to believe that oh, why don't we wake up in the morning looking like that, and things like that, and that's not an impression I would like to put on younger people. So I think you're gonna get trolled either way. You might as well be honest.
That's appreciative. That's like really cool. Trust me, that's really cool. To own up, I think it's the biggest flex ever. Lastly, before closing, film is about love. How are you right now prepped to be in the business where we all know we are always associated with the next co-star or somebody else? The day you open the tabloids, your name is attached with someone, so will be yours. How you deal with those situations of love? Because that's also one situation of love.
I never had that problem, yeah?
Soon you will.
So I guess we'll have to find out.
I mean, I think you want your work to be the first topic that people talk about and know you for. So I guess it's something you can't really help, but I think the reason why people are so private about these things is because they don't want that to be the main topic of discussion. But at the same time, we are normal people also. You don't really want to go out of your way so much to have to hide such a huge part of your
But
life.
does it bother you? Because when you're linked up even prior to your work, because in your case we did see that, does it bother you like when they'll attach your name to people out there?
I mean, it's not something ideal, obviously, for any person. So I mean, I think I just try to ignore it.
It looks beautiful. You guys look lovely, and I'm hoping when next time I said, Khushi will give me more sauciest answer, and Junaid will expand more on the stories which he's just very smartly giving me in one word, not to reveal much. I'll keep an eye on you. But thank you so much for doing that.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Khushi Kapoor.
And I'm Junaid Khan.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Bubble.